morning, students. So in today's class, so let us continue with the next question. It is the 15th one. See here, a contract on construction job specifies a penalty of delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees for the first day, and 250 rupees for the second day, and 300 rupees for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than for the preceding day. So how much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So that means here we have to find S30. So how much amount he pays after 30 days. So see here, we will go for the solution. The amount paid in the form of penalty is in the form of EP. That is, see here, first it is 200, and then 250, and then 300, and then so on, and it continues. Then here A is equals to 200, D which is equal to 250 minus 200, we get 50, and then what is the value of N? It is 30. N which is equal to 30. And then we have the standard formula. We have N which is equal to N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute in this standard formula. So we get S30 which is equal to, so it is 30 by 2 inside the bracket 2 into A. What is A? It is 200. So 200 plus N minus 1, that is 30 minus 1 into D. D it is 50. So now S30 which is equal to, so 30 by 2 it is 15. So 15 inside the bracket. So this will be 400 plus 30 minus 1 it is 29. 29 into 50 will give us 1450. Then S30 which is equal to 15 into how much we get on? If we add these two, we get 1850. 1850. Now S30 which is equal to, so if you multiply these two, we get 27,750. 27,750. So this is the required answer. That means if he has delayed the work by 30 days, so he has to pay 27,750 rupees. So this is all about the 15th problem. So the next problem, it is 16th one. A sum of 700 rupees is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, the value of each of the prizes. So see here, overall there are 7 prizes, and we have to distribute those 7 prizes to students for overall their academic performance. So that means he has given the SN value, it is 700, and 7 means it is the value of N, and then 20 rupees less than its preceding, that means the value of D it is minus 20 here. So I consider the first prize as rupees A. See here. Let the first prize be let the first price is equals to rupees A. Let the first price equal to rupees A. Then now see here yes, n which is equal to 700, and then m which is equal to 7, and then d which is equal to minus 20. The value of d is minus 20 because it is less than 20. So then we have Sn which is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, but Sn equal to 700. So now n by 2, it is 7 by 2 2a as it is, plus n minus 1, n it is 7 minus 1 into d, it is minus 20. This is equals to how much it is? 700 rupees. So now see here, Sn it is 700, that is the written 700. Then let us simplify this. 7 by 2 into the bracket 2a. So now see here, 7 minus 1 it is 6. 6 into minus 20 it is minus 120. So we get minus 120. This is equals to 700. Now 7 I write it as it is. Then take this 2 inside the bracket, will be divided to both the terms. So we get a minus 60, which is equal to 700. Now you take 7 to the RHS, it goes to the denominator. A minus 60 which is equal to, so now 700 divided by 7. So a minus 60 which is equal to 100. Then a which is equal to 100 plus 60. Then a which is equal to 160. So now this is the amount of first price. That means it is 160 rupees. Then the second price must be 20 less than this. That will be 140. Then the third price will be 20 less than the second price. That will be, so it is 120. See here. So that I will write here. Therefore, the 7 prices are, so it is 160, then rupees 140, then rupees 120, then it is rupees 100, then it is rupees 80, then it is rupees 60, then rupees 40. So overall we have 7 prices here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is all about the 16th problem. Well, so let us solve the 17th question. So in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? So by seeing the question, it looks a little difficult, but the problem is very easy. So see here, we will solve this. So here, the trees planted by classes are as follows. See here, 3, 6, 9, so on 36. So why we have taken 3 here? Because first standard students will plant one tree and there are 3 sections of first standard, that is why it is 3. Then second standard students will plant 2 trees and there are 3 sections of second standard. So 2 into 3 it is 6. Similarly, now class 12 students will plant 12 trees and there are 3 sections of class 12. So 12 into 3 it is 36. So here A which is equal to 3 and then D which is equal to 6 minus 3 which is 3, and then now I will go for Sn. See here. So now Sn which is equal to n by 2. So and the value of n it is 12 here. N which is equal to 12. So now n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now let us simplify this. So S12 which is equal to 12 by 2 inside the bracket 2a 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into d. N it is 12. So 12 minus 1 into d. What is the value of d here? It is 3. So S12 which is equal to 6 inside the bracket 2 into 3 it is 6 plus 12 minus 1 it is 11 into 3 it is 33. So now S12 which is equal to 6 into how much we get? Now we get 39. So S12 which is equal to 234. So 234. That means so the total plants or the total trees planted by all the students equal to 234.